Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Coding Draft by Kanika. In this video, we will discuss about transition from conventional AI to computational intelligence, soft computing constituents, and metaheuristic optimization. Before starting, if you are interested in easy and clear explanations of computer science concepts, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Link of part 1 of this video is given in the description. Now let us start today's lecture. Firstly, we will understand how AI evolved from conventional AI to computational intelligence. So initially, the idea of conventional AI were based on strict rules and logics. It works on exact inputs and gives exact outputs. But the issue was that the real world problems are not always exact, as the problems involve uncertainty, incomplete data, and changing conditions, etc. So the researchers realized that traditional methods are not enough. This led to development of computational intelligence. It can handle uncertainty and provide approximate useful solutions. The idea of computational intelligence emerges from learning, adaptation, and approximation. Let us take a real life example like Google Maps. Instead of giving just one fixed route, it adjusts your path based on the traffic in real time. This is computational intelligence in action. Now let us discuss the main constituents of soft computing. As we know, soft computing is a computational approach that mimics the human mind's ability to handle uncertainty, partial truth, etc. So constituents of soft computing are evolutionary computation, physiologic, neural networks, and probabilistic reasoning. So evolutionary computation is a subfield of computational intelligence that uses ideas and get inspiration from natural evolution. It solves complex problems by evolving solutions over generations. Physiologic tries to capture human ability of reasoning with imprecise information. It uses degrees of truth between 0 and 1. It is useful in systems like air conditioners, washing machines, control systems, etc. Neural networks, or we can say artificial neural networks. These are inspired by human brains. They learn from data and are widely used in image and speech recognition. And the last one is probabilistic reasoning. It involves the use of probability and logic to deal with uncertain solutions. It is commonly used in medical diagnosis and risk analysis. Now let us understand what is metaheuristic optimization. Here, meta means higher level or beyond. Heuristic means problem solving strategy which gives solutions quickly but doesn't guarantee the exact or best solution. Optimization means finding the best among many possible solutions. So after combining these terms, a meta-heuristic optimization algorithm is a general purpose, nature-inspired or logic-based approach designed to find near optimal solution to complex optimization problems. And there are many meta-heuristic optimization techniques. So in the upcoming video lectures, we will discuss some popular meta-heuristic optimization techniques. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.